Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today in this video we will see how we can change the temperature scale in an iPhone. Also I wonder why you want to change the temperature scale of your iPhone. It is because you're somebody who prefers the Fahrenheit scale, or maybe you're someone who prefers the Celsius scale. So whatever option you want to select it and you don't know where it is. So don't worry, in this video I'll show you how easily you can do that. Also I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First what you have to do is you have to go to the settings of your iPhone, and once you get there you will see a lot of different options. From all these options what you could do is you could find an option through which you can easily change the temperature scale. So for that we have to get to this section, as you can see, and from this section you have to select the first option, which is a journal section, and it is above control center. So just simply tap on it so that we could open it and can change the temperature scale. After that again you will see some more options. From all these options what we have to do is we just have to scroll down, and there you will see this option, which is language and region. Once you just have to click on it and that option will be opened. After that you will see an option which is temperature. As you can see, it is in between all these options, and the selected option is in front of it, which is the Celsius scale. So just simply click on it, and there you will see two options, Celsius and Fahrenheit. So now you can choose any one of these options, whatever you prefer. So in world, some countries prefer the Celsius scale, and in some countries Fahrenheit is the most useful scale. The countries that are mostly influenced by the American culture or US culture, they use the Fahrenheit scale, and the other ones use the Celsius scale. So if you want to go with the Celsius one, then you just have to click on it. But if you want to go with the Fahrenheit scale, then you have to click on it. There is no limitation to it. Whatever you prefer, whatever you like, whatever you want to use, you can use it. You just have to simply tap on it, and then option will be selected. And after that, all the temperatures and the weather at mobile will be upgraded to that scale. So for example, if I have selected Fahrenheit and I go and check the weather will be shown according to it. As you can see, the current weather temperature is 82 degree Fahrenheit. That means we have selected the Fahrenheit scale. But if we get back and click on the Celsius one and then again go to the temperature changes to 28 Celsius. So that's how the temperature scale works on your iPhone. So whatever you want to select, you just have to simply tap on it and then that option will be selected. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can change the temperature scale of your iPhone. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.